guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Misha here, back with another hair video. Now this video is in sponsorship with NADULA Hair. I've worked with them multiple times. They have amazing wigs and they sent me this beautiful Vpart Brazilian wavy wig that we are going to install. I have things to do today. I hope my man gonna pop up because he closed. I'm trying to go to dinner, I'm trying to go out to eat, I'm trying to, do something. So what better way than to install a Vpart wig? Before I get into all the details of this hair, NADULA Hair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I appreciate all the love and support. All the information for this hair Vpart wig will be down below in the description box. Also, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I post another video, because we're lit and I need you to join the family, okay? All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this hair. Vpart wigs have become one of my favorite wigs to install because I really like that natural sew-in looking look, and I feel like the Vpart wigs really allow you to do that. You don't have to worry about the lace fronts, the wig, the bonding, the baby hairs, all that crazy stuff. You can put your natural hair out or no leave out at all, and you can make them look very natural, so I love that. So let me go ahead and show you the hair. All right, guys, so this is the hair. Brazilian wavy. It feels very soft, a lot of luster in this hair, very lightweight, which I really like. It doesn't look like the wig cap will be too big, which is good because sometimes I find that the wig caps sometimes with certain brands are a little bit bigger than my head, so it's kind of loose and scrunchy in the back, and we don't like that. But this, I think, is going to fit really nicely. As you can see, it's in its natural state. Nice Brazilian wavy. I believe this hair is in 22 inches, 24 inches actually. You guys have seen me install these wigs multiple times, so there's nothing new to it. As you can see, there are the combs, there are the clips here, so they fit really nicely on the head, and they're very natural looking. These are great to just throw on and go if you just have a busy schedule. These Vpart wigs are amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it in its natural state. I have my Dyson in the back here that I can actually use to put this on and, curl it up a little bit, maybe around the face, but we'll see. So I think I'm gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part. I think I'm gonna do a middle part. I think I'm gonna do a middle part. But yes, guys, like I said, all the information will be down below. Let's go ahead and get this installed.
Such a long time since I felt this good on my own, on my own, on my own, on my own, on my own. Baby, I am born to run, and I don't belong to anyone. I let you in close for one night.
is it, y'all. This literally took me less than 5 minutes to install. I literally just left like an inch or two out of my leave out in the top. I slicked my baby hairs down, just tacked on in like 2 seconds, and I'm just wearing it in this natural, beautiful body wave, y'all. I love VpartWig so much, bro. Like, so freaking much. Oof. This looks like my hair. It does. Looks like my hair. All right, guys. So all the information to this beautiful body wave hair from Nadula Hair will be down below in the description. If you guys are interested, comment down below. Let me know which is your favorite texture for Vpart wigs, and if you've tried them before, comment down below. Let's start a little chit chat and we'll go from there. All right. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Nadula, thank you so much for sponsoring this video again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.